Today we will take the length of this steel bar for our physical testing parameter. Actually, this length as per standard should be taken as 600 mm, or it is 20 times this diameter, whichever is greater. Since we are using this steel bar of dia 16 mm, so this 16 multiplied by this 20, it comes out to be 320 mm. So it means this 320 mm is far less than 600 mm. So we will take the standard length as per standard 600 mm, which is greater. So that is why this length over here is already cut, and it is 600 mm. So this is 60 centi or 600 mm. This is the length of the bar cut according to our need. So this is the total length. LT can also be represented by this one 600 mm. Now and other thing. Now you see this portion of the bar, it is 10 mm, and also on this side this portion of the bar, and it is marked over here 10 mm. So you know, universal testing machine, for this machine, in order to clamp the bar 100 mm on each side is paid. So 100 mm on this side and 100 mm on this side. And then we will see that what is the remaining length. This remaining length is known as parallel length, which is represented by LC, and its length is equal to 400 mm. So it means that between these two clamps, as I have marked over here, between these two white rings, it is 40 centi. 40 centi means 400 mm. Now this is about our length. Now, as our this bar is TMTV bar, TMT. In order to find out the area of cross section, we are using this formula m over 0.00785 into m. M is 1.58 kilogram for unit length. Unit length means L is equal to 1 meter. Here, if we will calculate the area of cross section in this way, M, it is replaced by 1.85 and the other one 0.00785 into L. The area of cross section comes out to be over 201 mm square. So this is the procedure. This we have already explained. The area of this 16 mm bar is equal to 201 millimeter square. It was very, very important to know up to this point. And after this, we have to study the original gauge length or initial gauge length, which is represented by L naught. Its value is found out by K under root A naught. This value of K is constant. It is taken as 5.65. Value of area just we have calculated. As we calculate this value, the gauge length comes out to be over here 80.1 millimeter. Or we are taking it as whole number, L naught is equal to 80 mm. Now I would like to show you all these marks have been put on this our steel bar. First of all, you see at the end this 10 mm to clamp machine at one side, this 10 mm to clamp for the machine on the other side. Now this is our length, which is known as the initial length, which is equal to like this one 80 mm. And all these points are marked on the this bar. You see it is exactly 80. Second one is also exactly 80. This third one exactly 80. This fourth one exactly 80. And then this fifth one exactly 80. It means this spacing is put at an interval of 80 mm from all the sides. And second, here I would also like to tell you one thing. Also mention in the standard, in order to find out the length of the fracture, we need this 80. And if we have to find out the change in length at maximum force, FM means maximum force. Here, this length over here as per standard, it is taken as 100 mm. This is also marked over here. This point, this point, this point, and these points are at a distance of 100 mm. This also 100 mm, this 100 mm, and this 100 mm. So this is preliminary introduction about this marking. Then how we perform the test, this I will show you in my next video. Thank you for seeing this.